How to check if you're eligible for compensation on AirHelp. Hello everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can check if you're eligible for compensation on AirHelp. And this is how to go about it. The first step is to open your web browser and then visit airhelp.com. That is the website. And then once you're on the website page, at the top part of the screen, just below the logo, you will see Get Compensation, Protect Your Flights, Book Your Trip, Know Your Rights, About Us. Then click on Get Compensation. Okay, I clicking on Get Compensation, you brought to the compensation page. So on this page, you would see eligibility check, you would see other options. So now, in order for you to get your compensation, you have to carry out these four things. You have to carry out eligibility check, provide additional information, documents, click on finish, and then you'll be able to get your compensation. So the first one, to check if you're eligible, enter in your departure, airport, your final destination, select if you have any connecting flight, then click on continue, and then you'll be taken to the next stage where you'll be asked to provide additional information. Ensure you do that, then you ask to provide a certain documents and select the reason why the flight was cancelled or whatever reason why you're demanding for a compensation. Click on finish, and then just like that, you'll be able to check if you're eligible, and then you'll be able to get your compensation. So this is how you can go about it. Thank you for watching and have a good day.